Good morning, sixth graders. For those of you that are not in Spell House, my name is Miss Salidas, and I'm going to be quickly teaching you all some of the hand signals we're going to use in the sixth grade, not only in ELA, but in all of your classes throughout the day, so that you can have strong scholarly discussion with your classmates like a true gray shirt. So the first signal that you're going to use is when someone in your class is saying something that you really agree with. So not only are you tracking, but to show that you agree with them, you're going to take your hand and go like this. You can go ahead and practice it right now on the screen. Just don't draw too much attention to yourself because people around you are working. So you're going to go ahead and go like this with your finger if you agree. And if you disagree with what someone says, you just have a fist. And remember, your hand should always be really strong and silent in the air, but I'm just doing it lower so you can see it in the screen. So we agree, disagree. And if sometimes you kind of agree, kind of disagree, maybe you're not really sure, or you agree with certain things that they're saying, but disagree with other parts of it, then you'll go like this. It's kind of exactly what it seems like. Go ahead and practice that right now to the screen. I don't know. I'm kind of agree, kind of disagree. Also, if someone is saying something and you want to take that idea and build off of it even more, you're going to go like this. So go ahead and practice this. This shows your teacher that that person is saying something that you have to add to. You agree and want to add more. The last hand signal is one that your teacher will probably use even more than you. And that's when we're looking for someone to give evidence. So if a teacher goes like this, pretending like it's kind of a pen on a piece of paper, that shows that we want you to find some evidence in a text that supports what someone said. Or if one of your classmates is saying something and you think you remember evidence from a text that supports it, you go ahead and go like this. If you don't know what I mean right now too much about evidence, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk more about evidence tomorrow. So really quickly, let's practice. Go ahead and show me your agree signal. What do you do when you agree? Good. And what do you do when you disagree? Good. What if you kind of agree, kind of disagree? Should look like this. And if someone's saying something and you're like, wow, that's correct, and I want to add even more to that person's thought, show the camera what you do. Go like this. Good. And lastly, if someone's saying something and you know, wow, I have evidence from the text that supports what they're saying, how do you show your teacher that? You go ahead and you go like this. But remember, our hands are always strong and silent, and it's also really important that we track during discussion as well and sit up like scholars. So we are going to go ahead and practice some of those today. But for now, until your teacher calls you all together, go back to the website and follow the last step. Follow step 5 that is on the website instructions playlist.